Namaste, Skandashashti Nalvarthigal, happy Skandashashti everyone. I'm going to be singing a Tirupugar now, which is composed by Sri Arunagirinatha Swami in Tiruchendur Kshetram, which is the Muruga temple where all the festivities happen today on Skandashashti. The Sura Samharam ritual happens there. All Tirupugar songs are are replete with a lot of philosophical and spiritual meaning. This one has some very beautiful lines also. Some of my favorite lines in this Tirupugar are Uyar Karunai Puriyum Inbak Kadal Moolgi. That is, may I immerse in your divine ocean of bliss. Which is capable of filling me with with higher compassion and love for all living beings. And Unai Enadul Ariyum Anbai Taruvaye. So here Arunagirinatha is praying to Lord Muruga to help him realize, to bless him with that divine love that makes him realize Lord Muruga as his own inner divine self, not as a third entity, not as a person outside him, but as his own divine inner self, sort of asking for an experience of oneness with the Lord. So I find these lines very soulful, very replete with meaning. So I'll be singing this now. This is set to Raga Useni and Chandatalam by Sri Raghavan Guruji of the Tirupugar Anbargal group. So I will sing this Tirupugar now. Iyal isayil uchita vanji kayarvagi Irav pagal manad chindi turalade Iyal isayil uchita vanji kayarvagi Irav pagal manad chindi turalade Uyar karunai puriyum inba kadal moolgi Uyar karunai puriyum inba kadal moolgi Unai enadul ariyum anbai taruvaye Uyar karunai puriyum inba kadal moolgi Unai enadul ariyum anbai taruvaye Mayil tagargal idayar andha tinai kaval Vanachakura magalai vanditanai vone Mayil tagargal idayar andha tinai kaval Vanachakura magalai vanditanai vone Kailai malai anaya chendir padivalve Kailai malai anaya chendir padivalve Karimugavanilaya kanda perumade Kailai malai anaya chendir padivalve Karimugavanilaya kanda perumade Uyar karunai puriyum inba kadal moolgi Unai enadul ariyum anbai taruvaye Kailai malai anaya chendir padivalve